I think the most important factors from a development perspective are the access infrastructure, the human resource infrastructure, the cost of operating in a particular country, the financing regime. Uh, so I think firstly airlift is extremely important, and therefore whatever the governments can do to build up infrastructure, access infrastructure, both coming into the country and traveling within the country is very important. We find that in a lot of places the human resource infrastructure is a significant challenge, and therefore it's important for governments to invest behind and focus on uh, ways to improve that infrastructure, whether it is them doing it alone or whether it is in partnership with the private sector. But it's very important to move away from the traditional human resource training setup, which used to be a long-term, 3-year sort of program, to a model which is shorter-term vocational training and then a period of lifelong learning on the job and periodically off the job. In terms of the financing environment, I think it's extremely important for governments to give comfort to investors that they will have tax efficient way of actually making making a return on their capital and uh, returning it to their investors. A lot of the investment these days is from private equity players who have a shorter term horizon compared with an owner operator who holds an asset in perpetuity. So I think it's very important for those avenues to be addressed, which can be by way of capital market development or by having instruments like REITs introduced into the markets.